Okay, guys, today we're going to do the McDonald's viral chicken sandwich trend. And what it is 2 chicken patties, 2 pieces of American cheese, and add mac sauce. We're going to see what it tastes like, guys. See what it look like, cheese? They added the mac sauce. It looked really, really, really good. They did good with this. I carry this glass around with me everywhere I go. Everything stays cold. Right. One bite. I like it. Go get you one. Again, it's double chicken patty, 2 pieces of cheese, and mac sauce. Love you guys.